Oh, I just hope you get as excited as I do. This is Monday morning and these fabrics are incredible. Tomorrow night we're talking about maxi dresses and or dresses or tunics. You can do either one. I'm going to show you lots of options. So most of these are viscose. They're going to be $19.99 today and tomorrow, or until they're gone, because there are some amazing fabrics in here. So this first one is a border print. You can see that it's kind of a tiger. It's not a leopard. Leopards have spots. But anyway, it's a tiger. But it has this beautiful border print that goes right along it. And the most expensive dresses I'm seeing have border prints like this. So it's lovely. This is a viscose. It has stretch in both directions. It is a lovely piece of fabric. $19.99 is a giveaway. This next one, beautiful also. I love the gradation in this. We're seeing a lot of dresses that have this gradation. You can see that it's the blacks and the browns. It's just perfect for a little summer dress. It would just be beautiful. Again, it has, stretch in really one direction. This is really a one-way, and it's a cotton poly, actually. This one's a cotton poly. This one is a repeatable panel. The panel goes 1 yard. Well, it's not a panel. It's not distinct. It just repeats every 27 inches. And it's adorable. It's the raspberries. I mean, it's blacks, it's grays. It's just absolutely adorable. Great way to get a lot of color. And again, just perfect. Now, these are all $19.99 with the exception of this one, because I can't say the word, but Ralph Lauren. Some of these are Ralph Lauren. I can't say which ones. I know, it's so silly. But anyway, some of these are Ralph Lauren's. This is a beautiful silk knit. It has stretch in one direction. Isn't that lovely? Lovely. Now, they're all $19.99. This one's $24.99. We paid more than $19.99, so can't do it at $19.99. But it's gorgeous. And they will all go up after Monday and Tuesday. But isn't that beautiful? Oh, I just love that piece of fabric. And it's a 100% silk knit, one direction. This is 100% cotton. Love the color. The dresses work really well. Obviously, the brights are really popular. Again, stretch in both directions, 100% cotton. This is actually a terry. It's a terry cloth. There's terry on the back side, and then it's cotton on the front side. Again, Ralph Lauren inspired. Possibly some of these are Ralph Lauren. Beautiful feel on this. 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. Just lovely. Lovely for a little dress. Just perfect. Tunic, top, blouse, whatever. It just makes it perfect. So $19.99 except for the silk, the viscose, cottons. Beautiful. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.